Camels are smelly and dirty, so I was a bit scared before I actually tried it. But then I realized that camels are just adorable and it's a fantastic experience. We were watching the beautiful sunset on the way to Sounds of Silence, and we could catch of course the beautiful sunset, then the Uluru far away though, and we could totally feel the, how do I say, atmosphere of Outback, Australia, and I believe it hasn't been changed a bit since like a few hundred years ago.
First of all, we had like really good food and great wine, canopies, great company, and great scenery at the Sound of Silence. But I think the most important or most exciting part of the Sounds of Silence is the viewing of the stars. So I had this opportunity to actually view one of the planets, Saturn, through one of the telescopes in Sounds of Silence. And it was really awe-inspiring because I could see actually the rings around Saturn.
OK， 这是我第一次拍星星，我很自豪，是说，因为好像没有多少个人拍到那个银河，然后后来的时候我拍到了之后，我就拿去给那个专家去看，然后看到底是拍到对的嘛，然后结果那个专家说，哦，就是说拍到的那个景色就是那个银河，所以当下的那个感觉就是啊，我终于拍到了。